Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to do Belgium squats. First, position yourself correctly by placing one foot on a bench or elevated surface behind you. Your front foot should be firmly planted on the ground, about 2 to 3 feet in front of the bench. Keep your chest up and core tight to maintain balance throughout the exercise. This initial setup is crucial for stability and effective muscle engagement. As you begin the squat, lower your body slowly and with control, allowing your front knee to bend. Aim to descend until your front thigh is roughly parallel to the floor, ensuring your knee tracks directly over your ankle. Avoid letting your knee collapse inward or extend too far past your toes. Push through your front heel to powerfully return to the initial standing position, maintaining tension. A common mistake is allowing the front knee to cave inward. Actively push it slightly outward to keep it aligned. Another error is rounding your back, so always maintain a neutral spine and engaged core. Don't rush the movement. Controlled, deliberate repetitions are far more effective than fast, sloppy ones. Focus on the mind-muscle connection to maximize results and prevent injury. Belgium squats are fantastic for building unilateral leg strength, improving balance, and targeting your glutes, quads, and hamstrings more intensely than traditional squats. Incorporate them into your routine 2 to 3 times a week, starting with 8 to 12 repetitions per leg. As you get stronger, you can add dumbbells or a barbell for increased resistance. Remember to check the description for a link to those leak-proof containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.